I would like to inform the public that my proposal to allocate 1 cent per liter gasoline and diesel to the benefit of sports has been approved by the Council of Ministers. I have requested funding via capital expenditure budget of the country to repair the sports facilities, but because of a deficit budget, it has become very challenging. I have also been informed that repairs to the facilities will take place via NRPB/trust fund, but this too will take some time before it materializes. We need to do something now. We cannot wait for the next 3 to 5 years. Our athletes need attention now. St. Maarten is also in need of a multifunctional sports stadium, one in which we can do different types of sports. Getting the money to build such a stadium and also repair and maintain current facilities is a challenge. We have talent in all areas of sports, and the development of our athletes will get attention once we have the money to attend to their development. The government is working on lowering the price of gasoline substantially, and when this takes place, the 1 cent per liter gasoline and diesel will be instituted. The money generated will go towards sports development in general. The money will not go into the general coffers of government. The funds will be earmarked directly for sports. The idea is to make this a permanent structural funding solution for sports in St. Maarten. In Curacao and Aruba, they have the concept of a sports lottery, which has raised a lot of funds for sports. The 1 cent per liter idea is something similar to that of the other islands, and the entire community will contribute, including visitors, through the use of gasoline and or diesel. Sports tournaments will bring people to the island, and this will be good for our economy. We have talked about diversifying the economy of St. Maarten. Sports tourism can do that. We can diversify with sports, especially in the off-season. I would like to thank my colleagues for their support in this effort. This is something good for all of St. Maarten. Our youths will definitely benefit. I